Hey guys, Ricardo here, and welcome to another blog tech tips. In this one, guys, I'm going to show you this error that you might be getting where it's saying restart your phone. A USB storage device was removed unsafely. To prevent your phone from restarting unexpectedly, save unsaved data and restart. Now use the option to restart. All right, so I'm going to show you to fix a USB storage device was removed unsafely. All right, so of course this can happen. It's your first time using a flash drive or other USB or USB-C device on your phone. So what this is saying is that you did not properly eject the drive. All right, so you actually ejected the drive, and that's very dangerous, and I'll show you why. So in terms of the error, you don't have to restart now. Go ahead and swipe away, and what you're going to do from here, guys, is that you're going to your drive that you disconnected improperly. I'm sure you simply yanked it out. That doesn't work. You want to properly disconnect it so that it doesn't cause an error. So when it's connected as seen here, rule of thumb, never just simply disconnect it. If there's a file being transferred at a time when you disconnect it, it's going to cause corruption of the file. If it's a system file, it can cause issues, meaning if the system is accessing that file at the moment, it might cause issues, especially if it's a critical file that you have offloaded onto the storage drive. So it's always never a good idea to simply yank this out. So this is what you do to actually deal with those. And so what you want to do here, guys, is when you swipe down, you're going to, when you have attached the drive, you're going to see USB storage added. If I tap here, it gives an option. Let's say I want to remove now. I'm going to hit unmount. Unmount is the same thing as eject. So it's usually here. It will be hidden. They'll give you options to, if I tap on this, to deal with the device in terms of do I want to charge, do I want to access it as USB device, and so on. The blue one doesn't matter, but the gray one is the one that's important. All right, so what you want to do here is, let's say I've used the drive. If you're finished and you want to remove, tap on unmount and then go ahead and remove. You will not get the error. All right, next one. Let's say, for example, I'm going to access the files on this drive. It doesn't pop up like on other devices, so go to my files. You're going to scroll down and it says external storage, and it shows you there it's a 32 gigabyte USB storage one. All right, the name will pop up. All right, so this is all the files on this device right there. So what you want to do from here, guys, is the secondary way, in case it doesn't appear in the drop down menu to the left. If you go here, you'll see unmount. Be very careful, it's right next to format. So go ahead and hit unmount. So what I'm going to do here is tap on unmount. All right, so let's say you've finished doing what you're doing. When you're finished now, go ahead and hit unmount. And usually make sure all file transfers are finished before you try to unmount. If something is happening in the background, it will hold up the process or cannot hold up the process. So properly unmounting, it will make sure nothing is being transferred, and then it will disconnect. Notice it gives you the option to mount again. I'm not going to do that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to disconnect. So I'm going to disconnect. So check this out, guys. So simply go ahead and remove, and it's now gone out of the manager. And if I go here, notice it doesn't give an error. So that's how to properly do it, because if you keep yanking it, it can cause damage and it's not good for your system. All right, so that's how to handle that error. It will not happen again as long as you don't simply yank it out. That includes external hard drives and it includes flash drives. Hope that was useful. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.